I'm really excited and honored to be able to be a part of the founding and organizing committee with my colleague, Dr. Ruben Mesa in San Antonio, and Dr. Serge Verstovsek here in Houston with me. This is a really one-of-a-kind, exciting opportunity to exchange ideas. That's how I would describe this first Texas MPN Workshop meeting. I think there's really three goals for a meeting like this, particularly during these uncertain pandemic times. This was originally a year ago planned to be an in-person meeting, and now I think adeptly and flexibly with the help of VJHemOnc and others to make it online. The first goal is to exchange ideas at a broad level. What's going on in the field, particularly in this time where conferences and meetings really for a year or two have come to a complete halt, just to hear what other colleagues and collaborators are up to. Number two is to learn about all the new therapies, approaches, research that's really been going on well before the pandemic and during this pandemic year. And then still a third goal, I would say, is to develop brand new collaborations, innovative ideas, and other approaches that simply don't come from just reading in a cubicle on your own, right? Sometimes science is done through the exchange of verbal ideas and conversation. So for those reasons, and because most of our meetings have been canceled this year, this meeting ends up becoming the most important meeting to me of the whole calendar year outside of the major meetings.